Hello my friends, I'm doing a Dutch pour today on a good size canvas. It's 16 by 24 and the colors I'm using are pinks and purples, which are not my favorite colors, but people do like them and I think they would be pretty together. This is Pearl Raspberry Red. This is some magenta. I think it was Soho. I used up the tube, it's gone now. Dioxazine Purple, and then I made a mix of these two and it wasn't dark enough, so I added some metallic black to it, so give it a little bit of shimmer, and so it's a dark violet red, I would say. And then I've got metallic white here, and I don't think there's going to be, I think I want to tint it, so I'll tint it with the Dioxazine Purple. I'm just going to add a little bit to it. Let's see what we get. That's pretty. That'll be nice. I'll mix it a little better. So there we go. Those are the colors. This one, I'm not sure I like that with these. These are all in the same family, but this one has a little warm, maybe a little orange tone to it almost. I think I'll do it anyway. I'll think about it while I put the white down. I might switch that out. We'll see. Anyway, that's the plan at this point. Let me get the white down and then I'll be back. Okay. I just wasn't comfortable with that color, so I took some of my white base coat, added a little of the magenta, and came up with this light shade of pink. So now they're all in the same family. I feel more comfortable with that. So here we go. Now to me, once you get your consistency right and a feel of the hair dryer, what is that? Nothing. To me, the challenge is the composition. I don't want them to all look the same. You get comfortable, you know, spreading them out just the same. So I don't know. That's the challenge. That and good color choices. So I'm going to try something a little different. Let's see how it goes. It's very little different. It's going to be very similar, actually. I don't know. That's probably not much different. I'm seeing the shadow around the color, which indicates to me it's going to sell up, and I'm not real happy about that happening, but what can you do? I am using Creative Inspirations for the base coat. And now the magenta. And the light one. And now the violet red. I think I like putting a dark on last. I think it gives depth to the painting and kind of serves as an anchor for the other colors. It's my theory anyway. And I have it heavier in this area. Maybe that will kind of become a focal point. Should I add some more of this purple? I'm just going to add a quick strip of it. I'm just not sure there's enough. Okay. Well, I hope I like this because I have enough paint left over to do another one. Here we go. Hair dryer is just a travel dryer. Got at Walmart. Set on low seems to be sufficient for this. And here we go. See how it's settling up here. Those are too similar. I've got to change one of them. That's better. Now what? That stripe, I can't live with that. Better. Okay, what do I think of that? I think I'm seeing not cat hair, but my hair in there. It's pretty. I like this. This is not crazy about this area. I wonder if I should scrape that off. I think I will. I'm going to scrape off this section and add white base coat in there. So there we go. Well, I could have done without that. I should have left. That was not good. I didn't clean my palette knife off well. and I just stuck my finger in there. Good grief. All right, that's probably enough. I think I can cover that. Hopefully I have enough white left. Yeah, I think that helped a lot, composition. I don't want to take a chance of blowing any more in there. I just wanted to kind of smooth it out, but it'll level out. Okay, are there any little areas I want to do my little skewer thing? Like this is an awkward little point, so I'm gonna go in there and just give a little curve to it. Here's one. It's a kind of funny one there. I'm going a little nutty. I should stop. They're so inconsequential. I don't think it's a problem. I don't think you can really go overboard with them. I suppose you could, but I don't think I have. I'll leave that. Okay. I think I'm happy with this. A little color there, and there's a little bit there. I'm not going to mess with it. I think it's quite pretty. Okay, my friends, let me bring you in a little closer. So I did get considerable amount of selling, which surprises me. But I'm not bothered by it. I have enough of the color. Hopefully it will stop and won't sell up too much more. I think it's pretty. And I like the restructure in that section over there. I think that helped the composition. Oh, there we go. Always heave a sigh of relief when something works out, because it's a lot of paint and I hate to waste it. All right, my friends, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye now.